everybody, and welcome to my first edition of End Time Inventions. I want to bring to you some of the ideas that the Lord gives me, or that I come up with, or that I hear about, that will help you not just in the end times, but if the electricity goes out, or if something bad happens. Well, not bad, but if you're without, there's ways to make it, and we've been learning more and more about that. So this is our first edition. We'll hopefully come in with more. Our first invention is this. This is so cool. I got this today at the secondhand store. It was half price day, so it was $1.99, so I got it for 99 cents. It is a salad spinner. So you take salad, you put it on the inside of here, you know, the wet lettuce, you put it on the inside of here, and you spin it, and it gets rid of all the moisture from your lettuce, and you have a nice dry salad. But we are going to use it for something totally different. Okay, so we got 2 bowls. Also, I got these also 39 cents at the secondhand store. So if we put water in these 2, and leave this one dry. Let's go this way. So we'll put water in here for pretend. Can I have one of my water girls come bring some pretend water? Go ahead, pour it in there. All right. And then we're going to put just a drop of this is at the Dollar Tree for how much?
$1.07.
Yes, we seriously keep this in store because we have a pretty big family and we've got a lot of laundry all the time. So just a drop in here and swish it all up, right? And can I have some rinse water in this one? There we go. All right, so we're going to put this in here in the soapy water. Take the top off. Get our laundry. You can't do a lot, but hey, socks, underwear, maybe a t-shirt. Put it in there. Here we go. And then we go. Would you like to try it? My kids love this. There we go. All right. They'll probably do that for a few minutes. And then, I see all the water coming out the bottom. It's nasty and dirty. And, let's push this over here. And, yep, drip. Into the rinse. Would you like to come spin? Turn that way so they can see you. Turn that way. There you go. And drip, right?
Drip.
And now we go, this is the empty one for the spin cycle. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
All right, thank you so much, Marcia. And then we take our laundry and we would hang it out to dry, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
So, that's one way to retrofit a salad spinner into a mini washing machine.